Alright guys, so to access the sound settings on your 2026 Hyundai Palisade, you're going to scroll to the left, you're going to hit Setup, Sound, and it's going to show you the menu on Premium Sound, Position, Tone, Guidance, Radio Noise, Driver Assistance, and Connected Devices. So to start off, we're going to go with Sound True. So it provides an improved soundstage on dynamic experience for compressed audio files. So basically it amps up the clarity of the sound that's coming out through the speakers. So dynamic speed compensation. So this one, it tries to compensate for how fast you're going. So if you're going 90 miles an hour, it's going to try to amp up the volume inside the car so that you don't hear any road noise. So start up maximum volume limit. This one adjusts how much noise you want as soon as you start off the car, depending on if it's music, radio, so it can adjust how much volume you want it at whenever you turn on the car. So then position is pretty self-explanatory. So if you want it all the way to the top right of the car, top left, or rear right. So right now we're going to put it in the middle to have a more balanced sound. So tone is pretty self-explanatory. Treble, mid-range, bass, guidance. This one basically says that it can adjust the volume of the navigation alerts, navigation voice whenever you are in a phone call, or if you want to have the guidance voice a little lower with music. Now radio noise, original sound. When listening to FM radio, allows full signal sound without reducing background noise. Minimum noise reduction, balances original FM sound with some reduction of background noise. And then maximum noise reduction, when listening to FM radio, maximizes the reduction of the background noise. And then driver assistance, this would be warning signs that you have on your side view mirrors, left and right. Haptic warning, forward attention warning sound, lane safety warning sound, blind spot safety warning sound, driver safety priority, parking safety priority. And then connected devices, you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So if we click Android Auto, you can adjust the volume of the media in your Android Auto. Sorry. And then voice prompts, and would be the same thing for Apple CarPlay.